Cleaning high ceilings, fan blades, and windows can be a real challenge, especially without the right tools. Today, we're taking a look at the LAANPOLE 26-foot high-reach duster cleaning kit, designed to make those cleaning tasks quick and effortless. This kit comes with a long extension pole that can reach up to 26 feet, allowing you to clean hard-to-access areas without needing a ladder. It also includes a microfiber feather duster that effectively traps dust instead of spreading it around, making your cleaning more efficient. In addition, the kit features a window squeegee, perfect for achieving a streak-free finish on glass surfaces. Whether you're cleaning ceiling fans, tall windows, or corners, this tool provides versatility and convenience in one package. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even at full extension, and the detachable heads allow you to switch between cleaning tasks with ease. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution to keep your home clean from top to bottom, this cleaning kit could be a great addition to your routine. Check the link in the description to learn more.